after about 2.5 to 3 hours of sanding. That's the nose piece. You really can't see it, but it's pretty smooth. I got all these parts and pieces sanded down as well, and the back here is also sanded. I'm gonna leave all these right here, just that standard black right there. I'm not gonna sand them, I'm not gonna paint them there. And yeah, so far I'm pleased with it. So I got the front body here on the table. Check out this rack here, y'all. A little bit of redneck ingenuity. These are side pieces. I'm gonna wipe everything down with wax and grease remover and spray it with adhesion promoter, all the plastic stuff. Once we spray it with adhesion promoter, we're gonna start priming all of the plastics. And then we're gonna seal them and we're gonna start shooting color. So again, I'm no professional. We're just using some paper towels, wipe everything down with, and yeah, go from there. Basically this is trying to clean everything up. I do not have a tack rag to tack these panels with. Now, in order to clear all the plastics and everything, I'm going to be using this Spray Max. It's 2K in a can. It's a 2-part system. Okay, you use a regular nozzle. It's got like a twist thing up here. You can go vertical or horizontal with it. However, what makes this can so popular is on the very bottom you have another, it's like a button, and in the top you have this little red thing here, and you actually place it onto the bottom there, and then you mash it down. So once you puncture it, the hardener and the catalyst in the can mixes together, and these things have like a pot life of some say 48 hours, but I'm thinking about 24 hours, maybe 12 hours, probably depending on temperature. But it's also highly toxic, so be sure to wear some sort of respirator when you are using these cans here. And these cans cost about 20 bucks a can. This is not like your 2X by Rust-Oleum, so this is pretty nice. I'll put links to this in the description below, but this is what we're going to be using to clear all the panels on the golf cart with. So let's go ahead and get started. Once we pop this thing here, okay, it just popped, as you can tell. Okay, we need to shake the can up for 2 minutes. So here it is the next morning. It's been about 8 to 10 hours since I sprayed the clear on it. I think it looks pretty good. It's not perfect at all. There's still blemishes in it. There's some things I regret doing, like using that orbital sander, because I did put some sanding gouges in the plastics. Here is the center seat pod. Came out pretty good. Now, when using this 2K clear in a can, you're going to have some orange peel. It's not going to be 100% flat. But that's just the cost of doing it with a can. It's not perfect, but we can see the reflection in the camera here. And you can see that it does have orange peel in it. I'm not upset with it though. I will say that, I've never painted anything before, but yeah. Let's pull the golf cart out into the sun and see what it looks like. So I'm not mad with it. So, I think it looks pretty good. It's got a good, fair amount of shine to it. It does have orange peel in it. As you can see, I need to wet sand and buff this. I'm not gonna do it today. I'm not gonna do it this week. we're still needing to carry this golf cart with us this weekend, so I got a lot more work still left to do. It's not perfect, so let's talk numbers of why I did it this way versus getting it done professionally. You know, as far as how much I spent on this versus getting it done professionally. So my painter, I was going to drop off just the body, the center section, and the front, just the body clip. He told me $450 to paint all three of those pieces black. Okay, I asked him about the plastics, about sanding them down and smoothing them out and color matching all the plastics, and that was going to be over $1,200. So right now I got about $115 in the paint job, front to back, everything, clear coat, primers, base coat, sandpaper, everything, about 115 bucks tied up into it. And you know, it may look like a $115 paint job, but I painted it, so I'm happy with that. So I'm not going to go ahead and put the body on in this episode. The next episode, the body will automatically be on it. And the reason I'm saying this is this light kit that I ordered did not come with the harness, which that's okay. I'm going to be using the headlights as one light, but I'm going to be using a boat switch that's got like 2 positions. So the first light that comes on is going to be the amber running lights on both corners, and when you pull the switch again, you're going to have headlights and amber lights. So I need to wire that up along with the tail lights. I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera, but it's pretty much painted. I know it don't look like a whole lot much now, but until next time, guys, we'll see y'all later.